How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset the CSP settings to default in Assetto Corsa. Now, to do this, we need to delete the entire configuration. Deleting this will have no problem whatsoever because it will just be replaced with the default one after opening the content manager. Now, to do this, you want to navigate through the RUN on your Windows search bar, click on the Run option, and then just type app data. Click on OK, click local, and you want to find the AC Tools Content Manager. Now, there's two ways that you could do this. Basically, the first one is deleting the folder itself. But if you want to play it safe, you could also change the name of this specific folder. I'm going to add backup at the end of it. So basically, with the rename right here, the content manager won't be able to recognize it. Basically, it will just create a new one with the default settings embedded into it. So from there, you have successfully created yourself, or you have resetted the CSP settings to default. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.